Every year it feels like time moves a little faster, and I'm always a bit shocked when our marketing team asks me to write a New Year's message, because it feels like we just did this. When I look back on the last lap around the sun, two things stand out: gratitude for where we are and excitement for what's ahead. 2025 marks 35 years of Griot's Garage. The lights are still on and brighter than ever. I know my dad never imagined his passion project would grow into what it is today, and I'm pretty sure he never imagined that his most difficult child would end up running it. The difference now is that this isn't a one-person effort. We have an incredible team here at Griot's Garage, and we're still growing. I'm grateful to share my dad's passion, and even more grateful to be surrounded by people that are smarter than me and more talented than I am as we navigate a growing business. And most of all, I'm grateful for you, our customers. You continue to trust our products and share our passion for all things automotive. Car enthusiasts are a special bunch. Detail-oriented, loyal, and debatably sane. But in 2025, we were reminded just how many of us there are around the world discovering Griot's Garage for the first time. I tend to see everything through a car lens, and I think of Griot's Garage as a race car, always trying to go faster and run more laps. This year, we are running at a strong pace, maybe even a record one, until something broke. We had some delayed shipments and a few stumbles along the way, but like any good pit crew, our team rallied and got us back on track to finish the year strong. Thank you for your patience as we worked through those growing pains. We learned a lot, and we'll be better in 2026. So as you reflect on 2025, remember, it's in the rearview now. If you didn't win, I hope you learned. Here at Griot's Garage, we're still in the race, still chasing perfection, and still remembering to have fun in our garage. Happy New Year from everyone here at Griot's Garage.